Feature tonight is none other than Oakland's own Sean Williams, y'all. This brother is a Grammy-nominated spoken word artist, a national poetry finalist, published author, and storyteller from Oakland, California, whose work bridges raw emotional musicality and lived experience. With over 2 decades dedicated to his craft, Sean has become a powerful voice in contemporary poetry, known for delivering performances that feel as intimate as they are electrifying. Sean has graced some of the nation's most iconic stages, including the Apollo Theater, Radio City Music Hall. His work has been featured on major platforms such as the Essence Festival, the